Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did Ripple just last week, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And not to pat myself on the back, but definitely to pat charts on the back and that they do work. Over the past couple of days, there has been a very, very nice bounce. And then you look right up here at where the bounce essentially stopped, basically right at that red line. Okay, fine, it didn't quite hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree it got well within the range right there. And that just goes to, like I said, show the power of charts. By no means am I trying to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy or anything like that, but this is something that anybody can do. You just got to put in the time and effort to learn how to do it. So if you haven't connected those dots, that red line up there is definitely the key level continued going forward. But now, given the prices dropped back below that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, that level actually now becomes the higher priority level of resistance. So really, before you even talk about trying to break up through that 56-cent mark, the bulls now first have to get back up above that purple line, which is, again, that 50-period simple moving average. So as far as resistance levels are concerned, first hurdle right there, 50-period. Next hurdle after that, up there at 56 cents. Now, what about levels of support? Well, really nothing new here to report from the last time I did the video, but that was last week. So that's still down here at 47 cents, which is based on this green line right here. You can see several times right here the price bounced around. Right there, the price bounced around, and the price isn't quite within striking distance, but it's relatively close. So that'll be the top priority to watch, going into the next, 24 to 48 hours. In the event the price cannot hold above 47, then you do have some lows down here right around 45 that you would want to see hold. But as it stands right now, the price is currently trying to do some sideways action. But remember, the crypto markets are open 24/7. So over the next 24 hours, this chart will continue to change. So, if you're watching this 8 hours from now, of course, the chart is going to look a little bit different. But just ask yourself as you watch it, well, where does the chart stand relative to the purple line and then the red line up there at 56? And then where does the chart stand relative to that 47-cent mark? And that's going to kind of give you the current status of things as far as the story of the chart. So we'll see what happens over the next 24 hours. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.